This video shows how to replace the fan board on a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To remove the fan board, first you must remove the fans and fan cage. Starting with the fans, press and hold the release latch, and then slide the fans out of the system. Then, slide the latches and lift the rear system cover. For the fan cage, remove the screws and lift it out of the system. For the fan board bracket, remove the screws and lift it out of the system. And finally, for the fan board, remove the screw and lift it out of the bracket. To replace the fan board, insert it onto the bracket and tighten the screw. Next, reinstall the fan board, bracket, and then cage. For the fan board bracket, insert the bracket into the system and tighten the screws. For the fan cage, insert and push the cage firmly until it is fully seated, then tighten the screws. Replace the rear cover until the latches click into place. And finally, for the fans, insert and press firmly until they are fully seated. You have just replaced the fan board on a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.